In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when PS5 shows no signal on the TV. First, make sure your PS5 is fully powered on and not in rest mode. Then check the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the TV and the PS5. Next, use your TV remote to open the input or source menu and manually select the HDMI port where the PS5 is plugged in, since the TV may not auto-detect it. After the power off both the PS5 and the TV, unplug them from the power outlet for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in and turn them on to refresh the connection. If the screen's still back, try using different HDMI cable or switching to another HDMI port on the TV to rule out cable or port issues. You should also start the PS5 in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Then choose Change Video Output to reset the display resolution. And finally, check your TV's HDMI as well, the settings, and disable feature like HDMI UHD color or try enabling game mode depending on your TV model. So that's it.